Hey guys, Caleb with Loudroomer here, and I'm going to take you through how to create custom audiences in Facebook and Google AdWords for people who have visited a specific page on your website. Now for Facebook, what you're going to want to do is navigate over to Audiences, which is under Assets. From there, you're going to want to create a new custom audience. You're going to select Website Traffic, and you're going to select people who visited specific web pages. Going to go ahead and paste the part of the URL there for the page that you want to create a custom audience out of. You're going to want to go ahead and name your custom audience and create the audience. In Google AdWords, it's a very similar process. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and go over to Audience Manager. And from there, you're going to want to go ahead and create a new audience of website visitors. You're going to specify the URL that you want to create that custom audience for. You're going to go ahead and name the custom audience. And create that audience. Simple as that.